My dear JAMB candidates, I know we have been making a lot of efforts, and all of you preparing for this JAMB, I know it's not easy. So in this video, we'll be doing something very different, right? We'll be doing something a bit different from the other videos I've done. I know I've always told you how important the exam is and the importance of you waking up, reading harder and harder and harder, the importance of you not sleeping, doing your best. I've dropped a lot of videos for you, encouraging you, pushing you, gingering you. I've done a lot of things, but this video, I'm taking it out to do something different for you, which is also very important, right? I'm taking out this particular video to encourage you. Of course, it is important that I keep stressing the area of preparation, the area of being serious. But I think many of you in this channel, Noble Tutorials, have really impressed me. Many of you have really read. Many of you have really done something. You have taken this exam so personal. You have been reading. I've sent many of you free JAMB syllables and free JAMB past question. If you have not received it, you can tell me to send to you free JAMB syllables and free JAMB past question. I've sent it to many of you. We have been together in this channel and we have been doing our best. So today I want to just encourage you, right? I want to encourage all of you. I know it is not easy. Some of you are reading and you are not understanding. Some of you even find it difficult to, how difficult it was for you to raise the money you use in registering for the JAMB. Some of you are reading the Lekki Headmaster, you are not even understanding. I see the effort many of you are putting in order to be able to pass this JAMB exam. So I do not take it for granted, right? I do not take the effort you are making to pass, to make me proud, to make yourself proud. I don't take it for granted at all. So in this video, we are going to do something entirely different. Now, the first thing we are going to do in this video is I want you to encourage yourself, right? Encourage yourself. Don't give up. Don't give up. I know JAMB is difficult, right? I know it is computer based. I know it is not easy. I know what I have written JAMB far back then. So I know how difficult it can be. Some of you are even preparing for WAEC, NECO, and also JAMB on top. And some of you have pressures from your parents, from your siblings. In fact, some people believe you will write and fail. Some of you have written this JAMB before and you did not pass. So I want to encourage you now, and I want you to encourage yourself. There are things we will do in this particular video. Number one, I want us to encourage ourselves. Now, I want you to come under the comments of this video. First of all, tell us whether you're an art student or science student. This will be art versus science. Tell us whether you are art or science. Tell us also the course you are targeting and the university you are targeting, right? You can find your mates, people studying the same course with you, people targeting the same university with you. So in the comment, tell us the course you are pursuing and the university you are pursuing, right? Also in the comments, I want you to encourage others. You could share with us what you are doing that is working for you, how you are preparing, the effort you are making. If there are things you are doing that is working for you, share it with us in the comment section. Share it with your colleagues in the comment section, right? Then encourage us. I want you to encourage somebody. Encourage somebody watching this video. Come under the comment and encourage somebody, right? Encourage your colleagues. Encourage somebody in this journey. We are in it together, right? All of us in this YouTube channel, Noble Tutorials, we are like a class, we are like a family, right? So drop what is working for you. Tell us the school you are targeting, the course you are targeting, then drop an encouragement for somebody in this group. When you drop an encouragement, also so we have just few days. You can also drop what you are targeting, the score you are targeting in the JAMB. We have 250, 260, 280, 300, 340, 360. In this channel, we are not targeting anything below 300. No. We cannot go back. Our goal is 300 and above, either 300, 310, 320, 350, 360, 370, 380. If somebody in this channel scored 380, it will not be a crime. My brother and sister, will it be a crime? If you score 370, or let's say 390, or even 390 something, will it be a crime? So I want us to encourage ourselves, please. Encourage ourselves and tell us the score you are targeting. Tell us the score you are targeting. Also in this video, if there are areas, things that are disturbing you, areas you are finding it difficult in your preparation, feel free to also share with us. And then somebody could also encourage you. If there are areas you are finding difficult, if there are, maybe you are reading, you are not understanding, or there is a particular subject that is giving you a tough time, you push it push you back, you study, or you want to study, or you are even working and preparing, you are working somewhere, you are finding it difficult to combine your job with your studies, feel free to share with us. We just want to encourage ourselves this moment. We have few days, few weeks to the beginning of the exam, right? Look at you can say things like, dear friend, I know how much effort or preparation you have put in for this exam, this JAMB exam. I sincerely pray that every single effort will be crowned with success. So you can drop a prayer. Look at this prayer. God, grant me clarity and peace as I answer each question. May my effort bear fruit. Amen. Whether you're a Muslim, drop a prayer in the Muslim way. We have a lot of Muslims in this channel. If you're a Christian, we have several Christians also in this channel. Drop a prayer as a Christian, drop a prayer as a Muslim. If you want to write it in your native language, Igbo, Hausa, Yoruba, Ebibio, any language. I really want to see prayers in those languages, or English, anyone. Dear Lord, help me to remember. Look at this prayer. Dear Lord, help me to remember what I have learned and to do my best. Lord, your loving presence surround me. Help me to trust that you will guide me. So drop these prayers in the comment section. Then the last thing I will need you to do, when somebody drops a prayer, go and reply. Whenever you see somebody that drops a comment in this video, don't just drop a comment and run away. No, drop a comment and go and reply at least 5 other comments of other people. Drop a like, click like on their comment and encourage them. Once they comment your own, then go over to their own comments and drop a comment for them. Reply their comments, tell them something good about the comment they have made. You can say an amen. You can say encourage them. If it is your course mate, somebody pursuing the same course with you, if it's somebody pursuing the same university with you, if it's somebody having a challenge, don't just drop a comment and run away. No, drop a comment, drop a prayer, drop a wish, then go over to at least 5 other persons' comment and do something for them. Encourage the person, say hi to the person, say something encouraging, something loving to the person. Together we will win this battle. Together we will share testimonies. We are a family in Noble Tutorials YouTube channel. If you have not liked this, please like this video, join our YouTube channel. There is a option to join. Just click on join. Just find a way to join our YouTube. It's compulsory. It's important to be a member of this channel. Then when you join, like this video. Please like this video, share this video, copy the link, share it on YouTube, share it on Facebook, share it across everybody writing JAMB. Let us spread this message of encouragement, right? Then subscribe to our YouTube channel if you have not subscribed. Click on subscribe, turn on the notification bell. Let the encouragement start rolling. I'm waiting in the comment section. I want to see the encouragement. I want to see whether art students will be more in the comment section, or science student. I want to see the group. I'm grouping you people into two, whether it will be more of art students, whether it will be more of science students. So let the encouragement stop dropping in the comment section. Remember, when you drop your own, go over to at least 5 or 10 other comments, and please say something encouraging to them. I love all of you and I trust all of you.